In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Montreal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, how to complete your payment securely, and how to keep proof for your records. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official City of Montreal portal dedicated to paying a statement of offense. This is the city's own website, so you're using a secure, trusted page rather than a third-party service. Look for the section that mentions paying a statement of offense or traffic and parking tickets. A quick tip: confirm you see the padlock in your browser's address bar, which indicates a secure connection. On that page, you'll be asked to enter details from your ticket. You can use either the statement of offense number, sometimes called the ticket number, or the notice number. These identifiers are printed on your ticket, often near the top. Enter the characters exactly as shown, paying attention to any letters, numbers, and formatting. If the form asks you to exclude spaces or dashes, follow that guidance to avoid errors. If you've just received the ticket and nothing comes up, don't worry. It can take a few days for new tickets to appear in the system. Simply check back later and try again. Once the system finds your records, select the correct ticket from the results. Take a moment to review the details on screen, including the amount due and any deadlines. When you're ready, proceed to payment. You'll be prompted to enter your credit card information directly on the city's secure payment page. Double-check the card number, expiry date, and security code before you submit. It's best not to refresh or close your browser during this step. Some cards may require an additional verification screen from your bank. Complete that if it appears. The city processes payments securely, and in most cases, you'll see a confirmation right away. After a successful payment, save your receipt. Download the confirmation if a PDF is offered, or take a clear screenshot of the confirmation page that shows the date, amount, and reference number. Store this in a place you can easily find later, especially if you need proof of payment. If you receive an email confirmation, keep that as well. It can take a short time for the payment to be fully reflected in the city's records, so holding on to the receipt is important. That's it. You've paid your Montreal traffic or parking ticket online quickly and securely, and you have your proof of payment ready if you ever need it.